that is data analysis using deep layer. Okay, so can I start? Everyone finish that, right? Plotting.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Then we can use deep layer D P by L R for data analysis. Okay, analysis. So mm, main thing, data analyst typically use this package in order to transform existing data set into a format better suited for some particular type of analysis or data visualization, right? Okay, so here you can load the package using library function, library of dplyr. Okay, dplyr. Okay, then run it. There is no package called dplyr, so you had to install this package using this okay, package button. Okay, here you can install by copy, then install, paste it and install it. Everybody is installing, right?
No.
You can
Please show me, miss.
okay. You can go that package is here multi tabs are available, right? After plot, there is packages session is there. So in that, go to that and you can see this install button here. So click that and here you can paste dplyr, that is dplyr, then install it. Click install. Okay, got it right. Please say yes in chat box after installing the package.
Miss, where it shows package,
Package, which one?
where it shows package,
Here,
deploy.
here after plot you have seen, right? Plot last section. Here, like in files, plot, packages, help, viewer, multi tabs are available in, right? Fourth session, fourth panel. I don't know which side you kept your panel. So mine is like left side. So after this script,
Ma'am, file edit code view plotter.
plot. Then
Then
after that, packages is there, no packages.
no packages is there. Nest plot, previous plot, zoom plot, save as image,
Not
save
in plot, not in plot. There are
where
multi tabs are available, right, in that tab. I mean that panel.
no.
First tab is file tab, then plot
Ah,
tab, then packages tab, then help tab, then viewer tab, and presentation tab. So
but
in
there is
that,
no file and the package menu.
by
File edit code view plot session build debug profile tools help. That is my files.
okay, then you can use this command install. Okay,
Okay. Ah,
dot packages, install dot packages. So inside the bracket, install dot packages, Okay, inside the
Mm.
bracket, inside the code, you can mention that package name, that is dplyr, dplyr. Then run it. Then automatically it will install. Uh, Is it working now? Install dot packages. Then inside the bracket, inside the code, you can mention that package name, that dplyr.
Ma'am, how can I understand how
It's
if it
downloading. You
was
can you
not?
can you can see in your console panel.
Yeah.
So, huh,
Download source packages are in.
huh, it's downloaded already then.
Okay.
Huh. Then you can load. Everybody downloaded, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you had to load this package. Library. Okay. Library. Then dplyr. Run it. Why filter is not mask? Following objects are masked from package base. Why?
Same also shows me.
Okay, we will check if it is working or not. Okay. Maybe some errors. I don't know. Okay, we can check it is working or not. Okay. So then we can go. Okay, today we are going to see, we are going to learn about column selection, data filtering, data ordering. That is, I'll type here. So, okay, column selection, okay, comma, then data filtering, then data ordering, then creating derived columns, creating derived columns, then calculating summary statistics, calculating statistics, comma, grouping. Okay. So today we are learning these things using that dplyr package, and we are using the dataset gapminder. Okay, for the training purpose. I mean for the learning purpose. So here, because yesterday I have seen, right, a dataset, inbuilt dataset. In that, gapminder also was there. So here we are opening the library gapminder. That is gapminder. Sorry. Okay. Like that also we can use library. We are loading the library gapminder. Gapminder. Okay. Then run it. There is no package called gapminder. Why? Oh, that also we had to install. Okay, this also you install. Okay, Gapminder, library Gapminder. This one Gapminder you install using install function, or I mean using this button, or you can use install.packages, then install dot packages, then this gap minder. Okay, Gapminder, minder. That also you installed before loading the data.
Since it shows there is a package called Gaminder.
The Just check it in checkbox. It is there in like install.packages. Then you can sorry Gapminder like 1 minute. It won't work right. Sorry. Gapminder. Yeah. Then it will work. You can install like this. Copy. Then see in your checkbox. Yeah.
Since it is not working.
It's not working. Uh, for others,
It's working, ma'am.
okay. Maybe can you copy this second one like install.packages? Then inside the bracket you had to inside the bracket and inside the course you had to mention the package name, that is Gapminder. Second one, okay, not first one. First one is incorrect. So second one you copy and you just installed it. I mean you just install it and check it. Worked, right? For everyone worked, right? Then you had to load the package like using library function. Library, then package name. So run it. Then you can check the data here using head function. Head of the Gapminder. Okay. Gapminder. Okay. So then run it. Then you'll get the data here. You can see the data here. Okay. So this is the data that containing details about country, continent, year, life expectancy, POP. I forgot like full form, but I think population. Yeah, population. Uh, yeah. Everybody getting right? Same thing. Check using head function. So
Yes,
it,
ma'am.
okay. So,
Object gap finder is not found. Error in head.
Yes, it also shows me.
why? Okay, I'll paste it. Maybe uh, this one you load, right? You just
Yes,
load the
yes.
package using library function first. Okay, library function. Then inside that you had to paste the gap. I mean, had to paste the name of that package, gapminder. Then you had to run the head function. Head, then gapminder. 1 minute. I'll copy and paste here. Head of gapminder.
Object gap manager.
Head of gapminder. Head is a function. Head function. Already yesterday we shown. I mean, I have shown right. Head function, tail function. Then
Error in head gap minder. Object gap minder not found.
maybe installation is not correct.
Package gap minder successfully unpacked and
Installed right.
downloaded binary packages are in.
Yeah. Then it's downloaded. Then you had to load the package using library function. Here. Library function is here. Okay, library, then function. Maybe
Ma'am,
okay.
can
I'll
you
I'll
post it once through chat box?
okay. Copy. Yeah. You had to load the package using library functions after installation. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Run it now, ma'am.
Mm?
We have to run it.
We had to run it. Yeah.
Warning message package Gapminder was built under R version 4.2.3. For me, it's 4.2.2.
Oh, maybe you are using old version because I in PPT I mentioned new version, right?
Okay, ma'am. What will we do?
Yeah, in PPT I was mentioning because I mentioned new version 4.2.3 because in some package it won't work in old version.
Okay, ma'am.
2.2 is not that much old, but again,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, then you just download the package again. I mean, R again, and you just check. Okay.
Again, I have to download, ma'am.
No, if it is not working, you can download it again, a new version. Then you had to check it. Not now. After completing workshop.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll send the code. Okay, I'll send the code in group. Then you can check it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So here, okay, you can, but it will be, I don't know, uh, 4.2.2 also. Okay, you can check once more. Maybe it
Okay.
will work. I don't know. It's actually 4.2.3 is very new version, and even 4.2.2 also it will work, I think.
Okay, ma'am.
You can check now, and okay, but I'm continuing. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
using this package, I mean using this data, we are learning column selection, data filtering, data ordering, creating derived columns, calculating summary statistics, and grouping. Okay, first we are going to see how to select a column. So, mm, okay.
Got it, ma'am.
Oh, you got it.
Now it's some Afghanistan, Asia, like that.
Same thing, same thing.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Then first we are going to see the column selection. Okay. How to select the column. Okay. Column selection. So we can select the column using select function. Okay. So here here we are showing how to use this syntax to select a couple of columns. That is gapminder. Then okay, gapminder means our dataset name. Okay, gapminder. If you are taking iris dataset, you can mention that. Okay. So whatever your dataset, you can mention that name. Okay. So here we are taking gapminder dataset. So here we are mentioning the gapminder dataset here. Then we are using pipe. Yesterday we not yesterday I think we mentioned one. Yeah, yeah. So this is a simple of doing deep layer. Okay. So this one we can call it as pipe function. So select, then you can select whatever you want, like country, country, then year, comma, population. Okay. So then run it. So now in console panel you can see you selected the data set on the basis of country, year and population. Okay.
Ma'am, please show me.
Which one? Here I type.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, I'll copy the code here and okay, you can use that in chat box. This one is like dataset name, then pipe, that is declare simple. Then we are selecting on the basis of country, year and population. Okay. So in console you can see the data contain country, year and population. Okay, selection is over. Then getting right. Everybody, please respond.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. Then you can next we are seeing like how to filter the data set using this function. Okay, so this is data filtering function. So main filtering data set is one of the most common operation we will do on main any job. So sometimes you want if you want only one item, you can choose according to that. You can filter according to that. Okay. So for that you can use filter function. Okay. So for that, okay, first is column selection, then filtering the data. Filtering the data. Okay. So for that you can use again gap gap minder, that is dataset name. So you can use same simple here and you can select first you can select according to a country year and life expectancy. Okay, select country, comma year, comma, life expectancy. Okay, then again we are given simple. Then we are filtering the data using year. Okay, so here we are giving filter on the basis of year. So we are giving year is equal to 2007. Okay, then we have to run it. Yeah, here what we are getting, here we selected the data using country, year and life expectancy. Then we have applied a that is filter that is giving that is on the basis of year 2007. Okay, everybody got it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we are seeing data ordering. Okay, data, how to order the data. Okay, for that we can use main thing. If sometimes if you want to order your data by specifying column value, uh, you can use arrange function. Okay, so okay, for example,
സൗണ്ട് കുറക്കണേ.
okay, same thing we can add, that is same thing, like we are adding data set name, then we are selecting on the basis of country, year, life expectancy here, then we are filtering the data, that is uh, filter on the basis of same like 2007, year is equal to 2007, then just put that simple, then we can arrange on the basis of life expectancy. So arrange, the arrange function is using for data ordering. Okay, so life exp, yeah, then run it. Yeah, here you can see in console section, you can see we have selected here on the basis of country, year, life expectancy, then we filtered on the basis of year, then we arranged the data using the value life expectancy. Okay, on the increasing order. Okay, then we are moving to, okay, if you want to, this is increasing order, right? This automatically it is coming life expectancy, it came as a increasing order. Okay, so if you want to get decrease, I mean if you want to get it as decreased order, I mean decreasing order, you can add here like arrange, then DESC. Okay, so we'll get data in decreasing order, 82, 82, 81. Okay, okay, then sometimes if you want to get only a couple of rows returned, for that you can use top n function. Okay, top underscore n function. So this function lets you specify how many rows should be displayed. Okay, so for example, uh, here we can select a simple everything selected on this basis, like on the basis of this, and we can mention we had to print the top, I mean we had to mention
I
top.
mean, in descending order, I'm not getting.
Maybe just check this one, spelling
Yes,
DESC.
ma'am.
Okay, I will copy and paste it in chat box. Okay, copy. Yeah, you can
Okay,
copy
ma'am.
from here. DESC. Maybe spell. Okay, here everything is okay. So if you want to get only a couple of rows, you can mention here top underscore n, then bracket. You can mention like number of rows.
Not getting, ma'am.
Okay, now you just check this also. Okay, like if you want
Error
to
in object is vector of x. Object life expectancy is not found. But
life expectancy not, maybe spelling you check
okay, ma'am.
everywhere spelling. Life LIFE, then capital EXP. Okay, then you can run this one.
It's not getting, ma'am.
Uh, you just run from where? From here. Okay, from here you just run.
Filtering.
Ah, just run it again. Then
Before
you'll
that,
get.
I have
No, life
error
expectancy is present in that package is that in data set. So that we are mentioning that's it. We are not adding any object name here. Like
error
already
in gap minder.
gap minder. I don't know. Before that, this one you are getting right.
Yeah, everything I have got.
Then why? Maybe syntax. Okay, I'll paste everything now from column selection. I'm pasting this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you'll get it definitely. No problem. Uh, yeah, I pasted here. Just copy it and check it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. This one everyone understood, right? Top 5, top underscore n 5. So you'll get first 5 rows. So here if you want to display of top 10 rows, that also you can do here. So you'll get top 10 rows. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I got it now.
Okay, okay. Maybe your I don't know. Maybe some syntax errors happen. Maybe. Okay. Then next we are moving to creating derived columns. Okay. Then derived columns. Okay. Derived columns. Okay. How to create a derived columns. So with dplyr you can use mutate function to create new attributes. Okay, if you want to create a new attributes, you can create a mutate function. So that okay, we can give some example here. So that is okay. mm, Gapminder filter. Okay, just copying here. Okay, here. Then we are adding attributes here. Okay, so okay, before that you can see that Gapminder. Okay, Gapminder, then control enter. So how many columns are how many columns are there, you can check here. Okay, country, continents, year, life expectancy and population here, right? So then you can give like this. Okay, first we are selecting on the basis of country, year, life expectancy, then filter the year on the basis of on the basis of 2007. Then if we are mutate, sorry, okay, mutate, why, mutate GDP. So we are adding attributes here. Okay, so GDP is equal to what? Population POP into GDP per cap. Okay, so that is GDP per cap. Then we are selecting it. I mean, okay. Then we are arranging on the basis of arrange function. Then on the basis of decreasing order of GDP. Okay, DESC of order of GDP. GDP. Again, selection. Then again, we are printing top underscore and 5. Okay. Error in mutate. Why? Mutate function is correct, right? GDP. GDP per cap. Mutate function is not working. Yeah, it's working now. So where Gapminder? Hmm. Where is the problem happening? Gapminder. Hmm. Pop is not found. Is the right pop life expectancy? Correct only spelling. Oh, here we didn't mention about that, right? So that is why. Here we had to mention pop, then comma, GDP per cap also. Okay. GDP, then yeah. Now it will work. Yeah, it is working now. So you can see we are adding the we are adding the new attribute here. Okay, GDP per cap. No, country, your sorry. Right. Pop, then GDP per cap. Correct only. Correct only, right?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
this
you are
one.
getting now GDP value. No, like you are adding a new attribute here. Okay, by using the function mutate. Okay, then okay, we can calculate the summary statistics of particular data set. Okay, so using summarize function. So okay, for that we can see example here, calculating summary statistics. Calculating summary statistics. Okay, for that we are using summarize function. So here we can add a data name first. Okay, then we can summarize the value. So that is summarize function. Summarize function. Then inside the bracket you have to give the uh, value, that is average life expectancy, exp is equal to mean of life expectancy. Okay, life expectancy. Then you have to run it. So now you're getting the value, like summarize the average life expectancy. Like whatever you want to summarize, you can do that. So here we are using average life expectancy. So here we are getting 59.5. Okay.